Hi, I'm Kylie Millar, former Young Chef of the Year. We're all at home at the moment, we're all in the same boat. But hey, it gives us an opportunity to connect with our friends and loved ones. When I'm at home, I love being in the kitchen, and what better time than now to start cooking. This recipe I'm going to share with you is delicious, comforting, and a bonus, it uses a lot of the ingredients that you've already got in your pantry. My grain risotto. The first step for making the grain risotto is to make the stock. Now we all have a few bits of parmesan cheese rind or little bits of cheese that may have gone a bit hard in the fridge, but what I like to do is actually throw that into the stock. So this is a great way to use up those bits. So I've got the cheese in, one onion that's been quartered, and a few parsley stems, some garlic that I'm just going to crush, some fennel seeds, a few bay leaves. Then all I'm going to do is top that up with some water and then pop it onto the stove, bring to the boil, and then reduce to a simmer for about an hour. Next thing we're going to do is start our risotto. So into a pan, place some onion and garlic with a little bit of olive oil and sweat till it's translucent. We're then going to add in the butter, let it melt, and then the drained barley and lentils, and mix until it's well coated. Once your grains are well coated with the butter, we're going to add in a little bit of white wine just to deglaze the pan. Let all of it evaporate off just so you're left with the flavour of the wine. We're then going to add in the strained stock and then let it reduce until the grains are well cooked and almost al dente to have a little bite to them. There's a little bit of liquid in there. I'm just going to add in the chickpeas, give it a good mix through, and then return it back onto the stove just to finish reducing all of that liquid. Once that liquid is reduced, we're going to add in the rest of the butter, give it a mix, and then we're ready to serve. To season, I love a good amount of cracked black pepper, a little bit of vinegar. I actually like to use apple cider vinegar, but you can use lemon juice or just regular vinegar as well, whatever you've got on hand. And then some flake salt as well. Now I like to serve this with either roasted veg or particularly mushrooms. Coming into these cooler seasons, it's always nice to have something hearty and warm. Just got a few Swiss browns. And there you have it, my grain risotto. For this recipe and more What's for Dinner recipes, head to coles.com.au.